Today's featured car of the day is a 1964 Mercury Marauder R-Code with the 427 FE motor with dual quads and 425 horsepower, of which Mercury only made approximately 42 in 1964 with this engine. And they all came with the 4-speed, the R-Code cars. This one, if you look closely, you'll notice that the owner upgraded it to a 5-speed to help the highway cruising, I guess. But this one had the Monterey trim, which was the basic one. And just a plain Marauder without the R-Code engine is pretty rare in itself. They only made 8,760 of them in 64. And this one being the R-Code, like I mentioned, makes it even rarer. And it had the two-tone interior, the red and the black, to match the black exterior, and some added wheels, and all the Marauder trim, and of course the big gun under the hood there, the R-Code 427 FE motor with 425 horsepower. And this one I filmed at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. And I only saw it the one time, and thank God I was able to film it when I did, because I never saw it again. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.